Hi everyone, it's Mary Garcia. We are now here at SM Mega Mall in Octagon Store. We're trying the camera of Lapit Boy Bayawak, Logitech Streamcam, or this one, C922, which is better. Yan, pakita natin. The one that I'm using right now is Logitech, si color white. And let's try the other one, which is better. C922. So side ka muna. Live na live po. Yan. Kung mas napili nyo sa dalawa, this one it costs 8,000 and this one is 6,000. Ay, naksaman yan, nagganda. Pak, ganun. Magastos po ang ating ang ating pagla-live. So, thank you everyone. So, ayun, bayad din. Naiwan si Boy Bayawak doon. Busy siya kay Julina. Ay, ate.
7,499 na lang.
Dala-dalawa po yung pinapanalo niya kay Julina. Hawak ang cellphone ko. Hawak si cellphone niya. Alang-alang po sa raffle. Okay ka muna, Boy B.
Ay, wala.
Bayad na po. In fairness si ate, ganda oh. Ay, tara. Yun na nga sinasabi sa hulan, nagkuha ng pa ng TikTok ko. Hi ka ulit.
Sige lang po.
Okay
Ay,
na.
ganda. Yay! I get it! Thank you so much once again, Mr. Crispy and Boss Jassy for this! From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. It's so magasto. Sana okay na ang aking camera soon. Thank you once again, everyone, for watching the shorts video and for supporting and loving my YouTube live streaming every Monday to Saturday, 2:30 p.m. onwards. I love you all. Thank you so much.